Hi, my name is Mr. Molinello, science teacher here at Young Men's Leadership Academy, also known as Science. So today we're going to be talking about a strategy that we like to use to learn the 6 kingdoms. Alright, so let's take a look at the strategy that we like to use for kingdoms. So we have a strategy known as HEAP, H-E-A-P. All the kingdoms that are drawn in the H are only heterotrophic. All the kingdoms that you see drawn in the E are only eukaryotic. All the kingdoms drawn in the A are autotrophic. And finally, all the kingdoms in the P are prokaryotic. So let's go and take a closer look at the kingdoms that are only heterotrophic. So as you can see here, we have a human drawn. This human represents the Animalia kingdom, or animal kingdom. Then over here, we have a mushroom. The mushroom represents the fungi kingdom. So what this says is that all organisms in the animal kingdom and the fungi kingdom are only heterotrophic. What that means is that they have to consume other organisms in order to be able to receive their nourishment. Let's go and take a closer look now at the E from HEAP. So looking at the E now, we have the human drawn again. So once again, we have the Animalia or animal kingdom represented here. Once again, we also have the mushroom representing the fungi kingdom. In this E now, we've added grass and a flower. What this represents is the plantae kingdom or plant kingdom. And finally, we have 2 cells that have a nucleus inside, and that represents the protistic kingdom. So what this says is that all organisms in the Animalia, fungi, plantae, and protistic kingdom are all eukaryotic organisms. What that means is that these organisms have cells with the DNA confined in a membrane-bound nucleus inside of them. Let's take a closer look now at the A of HEAP. So here we have a closer look at the A. In the A of HEAP, we have a flower drawn. This flower represents the plantae or plant kingdom. What this says is that all organisms in the plant kingdom are only autotrophic. Autotrophic organisms produce their own energy by getting energy from the sun. What that means is that they go through the process known as photosynthesis by using water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. Let's take a look now at the last letter of HEAP, the P. So here we have the P of HEAP. The P stands for prokaryote. So in a prokaryotic organism, as you can see here, we have DNA. Now in one of these types of cells, the DNA is not confined to a membrane-bound nucleus. So the strategy we like to use is no for no nucleus. The 2 kingdoms that are prokaryotic are Archaebacteria, which is also known as the ancient bacteria and can survive in harsh conditions. And we also have Eubacteria. The Eubacteria kingdom is also a prokaryote. The Eubacteria kingdom is also known as true bacteria. So now let's take a look at HEAP altogether. So as you can see here, we have the H for heterotroph, E for eukaryote, A for autotroph, and finally P for prokaryote. Thanks for watching.